For 7 long months, this railway route remained silent after Cyclone Ditwa severely damaged the line between Ambewela and Nanu Oya. Today, history returns to the hills. Join us on the first adventurous ride of the legendary Podimenic train. It crosses the newly reconstructed railway section for the very first time after restoration, running without passengers beyond Ambewela. Witness this remarkable journey and the revival of one of Sri Lanka's most scenic railway routes. Stay with us and watch the full story, only on Paradise in My Eyes. It is the 19th of June, 2026, and this is Ambewela railway station. Today, a historic event is taking place here. As you may know, Cyclone Ditwa caused severe damage to Sri Lanka's railway line in the Nanu Oya Ambewela area. As a result, train services were disrupted for 7 months. After months of hard work and dedication, the Railway Department has successfully reconstructed the damaged section and restored the line to normal operations. Today, a special passenger train has been scheduled to make the first journey over the newly reconstructed section from Ambewela to Nanu Oya. This historic run will take place without passengers on board beyond Ambewela as a safety and inspection journey. Fortunately, I've been given the opportunity to join this special ride and witness this remarkable moment in Sri Lanka's railway history. As a hobby, I captured some beautiful landscapes, historic locations, and memorable moments during this journey from Ambewela to Ambewela. Throughout this video, I will share these stunning views with you. Some of the places and scenes you are about to see are truly special and have their own unique story to tell. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this remarkable journey through Sri Lanka's breathtaking hill country. We departed from Ambewela at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. For the first time, I am passing through this beautiful landscape in the evening, and the view is truly beyond words, absolutely breathtaking. Now, let's experience something special and rare together. The powerful moment when a train engine moves through a tunnel, deep within Sri Lanka's scenic hill country. Passing through beautiful scenery, tunnels, and many unforgettable moments along the way, we finally reached Ambewela railway station around 6 o'clock in the evening. This is not just a railway journey, it is also a story of dedication and sacrifice. Day and night, the workers continued their efforts to restore this railway line. After months of hard work, they have finally achieved their goal. As we arrive at the station, many of these workers are heading back home to reunite with their families. You can see it clearly on their faces, a proud, victorious smile. They sacrificed their time and energy over the past months to complete this mission. For them, duty always came first, even before themselves. That is the true spirit of Sri Lanka and its people. Now we are entering the newly reconstructed railway section that was damaged by the cyclone. After the devastating impact of Cyclone Dikwa, this area was completely affected, but now it has been carefully rebuilt and restored to normal operation. Our expert main pilot, Mr. Bondara, is carefully guiding the train forward, staying fully alert for any possible hazards along the track. This moment is not just a journey, but a test of precision, safety, and confidence as we move through the restored line once again. We have now successfully passed through the area that was severely damaged by the cyclone. Fortunately, no problems or hazards were encountered along the way. The newly reconstructed track performed perfectly throughout the journey. This successful test run confirms that the line is ready for normal operations and everything is set for the first passenger journey from Nanu Oya to Ambewela tomorrow. It is a proud moment for everyone who worked tirelessly to restore this vital railway connection. Just look at the beauty of this evening, the setting sun, the colourful sky painted with shades of orange, gold and red, the drifting clouds, and the warm sunlight reflecting across the landscape create a truly breathtaking scene. Under normal train schedules, passengers rarely get the chance to witness this view from this section of the railway. This special journey has allowed us to experience a side of Sri Lanka's hill country that is seldom seen. It reminds us that even difficult events can sometimes reveal unexpected opportunities. While the disaster brought many challenges, it has also given us a rare chance to witness the railway and its surroundings from a completely different perspective. Some moments are born from adversity, and this beautiful evening is one of them. If you look carefully, you can see the majestic Adams Peak rising in the distance. My special thanks also go to the people who arranged and supported me in capturing these historic moments. Thank you for watching. Until then, we will meet again tomorrow morning for another historic journey, the first passenger ride of the Podimenic train from Nanu Oya to Badulla. This is paradise in my eyes. See you in the next video.